Hi everyone, on this week's episode I'm going to create a project by using staples. So for the past couple of weeks I've been seeing a lot of videos where people are bored at work and they're creating these cool art pieces using their staples. Now there was one in particular that really caught my eye, and it was a cube that had been made using 16 lengths. Now it wouldn't be a BENSWORX project if we didn't add some resin, so once I've made my cube I'm going to turn it into a ball, and then hopefully I get the same illusion as my Rubik's cube. Now in addition to my silver staples, I've also got 4 lengths of blue. So to make this cube you're going to need 16 equal lengths. Now the length will be determined on whatever width 3 rows are. And the way to get the perfect measurement is to have 2 facing up and 1 facing down, locking them together. Now this measurement will be different for everyone because it all depends how wide your staples are. But in my case, I need 35 millimeters. So now that you know what length you need, it's time to make 16 of them. Once you have all 16 lengths, we can start building. It's now time for the final piece, and unfortunately this is the hardest one. Well, as you can see, my cube looks a little different. I was playing a little rough with it and I managed to break some of the blue ones, so I had to swap them out with these pink ones, but I think it actually looks a bit better. For some reason, these coloured ones just snap real easy. So now that my cube's all finished, the next thing I need to do is mix up some resin and pour myself a base layer. Now that my resin's all set, I can place the cube in the centre and pour some more resin over the top. Now just in case there's any trapped air, I'm going to put this container inside my vacuum chamber. Now that all the air's out, I can pop it into the pressure pot to cure overnight. Well, that's not good. So it looks like the heat that was generated during the curing process has discoloured our staples, and at first I didn't like it, but the more I look at it, the more it's growing on me. It's kind of like a patina or a rust. It makes it look like the cube's been in there for hundreds of years. Now we did get one other little problem. A row of staples cracked on top here, but I don't think it looks too bad. I think it gives it some character. So we're not going to see the full illusion of this until I turn it into a ball. So the next thing I need to do is glue on my waste block so we can turn it on the lathe. Well, I think my balls illusion looks amazing, and I think you will too. And that's why I'm going to randomly add it into someone's Etsy order over the next few days. I've been really busy making new pendants, eggs, and keychains. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check them out. Now let's check out my ball.